We can come back, though the time is gone. I'm done running to escape from your.
Hey survivors, and welcome back to IB Survivors. Today's mission, facing down the beast we all dread, the extended essay. Ooh. When you first hear about it, the EE sounds impossible. 4,000 words on one topic? Like, how are you even supposed to care that much about anything? But there's this thing nobody tells you. The EE isn't designed to torture you. It's training you for real-world thinking. Research, organizing big ideas, building an argument. Honestly, once you get into it, it can even feel kind of cool. First step, pick a topic you are at least a little bit passionate about, not something you think will impress the IB gods. If you fake interest just to sound fancy, the writing will feel like pulling teeth. Find something you could rant about for 5 minutes without notes. That's your gold. Next, fake your deadlines. Seriously, if your school says the first draft is in December, pretend it's due in October. Trick yourself, because life will get messy. Mock exams, CAS hours, random existential crises, and you'll be so grateful you built a cushion. And remember, talk to your supervisor like they're your personal coach. Ask stupid questions. Show them your outline, send them awkward half drafts. They don't expect you to be a genius. They expect you to show up and be coachable. Writing the EE will stretch you, but finishing it, it's one of the most powerful feelings in IB. You'll realize you did something most people outside IB can't even imagine. Keep climbing, one paragraph at a time. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next episode.